In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best bench multimeters available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the bench multimeters list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the bench multimeters mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, ANENG and 999S Desktop Voice Multimeter. The ANENG and 999S Desktop Voice Multimeter is a cutting-edge tool designed for professionals seeking accuracy and convenience in their measurements. With 19,999 counts and true RMS capability, it excels in both DC and AC measurements. The addition of Bluetooth connectivity enhances its functionality, allowing users to remotely monitor readings. The desktop design ensures stability during use, and the voice feature provides audible feedback for hands-free operation, making it an efficient and user-friendly choice for various applications. Number 4, Digital Multimeter RuoShui 8145C. The RuoShui 8145C digital multimeter is a versatile benchtop instrument, boasting an impressive 22,000 counts and true RMS capability. With a range extending up to 1000 V and 10A, it covers a wide spectrum of measurements, including volts, amps, ohms, capacitance, and frequency. Its benchtop design ensures stability, while the high count and true RMS feature guarantee accurate and reliable results. The RuoShui 8145C is a comprehensive multimetro tester suitable for demanding electronic and electrical testing requirements. Number 3, VICI VC8145 LCD Auto Range Multimeter. The VICI VC8145 LCD Auto Range Multimeter is a high-performance digital benchtop tool with an LCD display and advanced features. Boasting an impressive 80,000 counts, it offers accurate readings in various measurement modes. The auto range function simplifies operation, while the dual display enhances visibility. Suitable for measuring voltage, temperature, and other parameters, the VC8145 is a reliable and versatile multimeter for professionals in need of precision and efficiency. Number 2, OWON XDM1041 BenchType Digital Multimeter. The OWON XDM1041 BenchType Digital Multimeter stands out with its compact design, 3.7-inch LCD screen, and USB connectivity. True RMS capabilities ensure accurate measurements, making it suitable for a range of bench applications. The USB port facilitates data transfer and connectivity to external devices, adding versatility to its functionality. This mini desktop meter is a practical choice for professionals who value both performance and portability in their test equipment. Number 1, ZOYI ZT5566SE Bench Voice Multimeter. The ZOYI ZT5566SE Bench Voice Multimeter is a state-of-the-art instrument equipped with Bluetooth technology, providing 19,999 counts and true RMS auto-range functionality. Designed for professionals, it excels in transistor testing and delivers accurate readings across various electrical parameters. The inclusion of Bluetooth adds a modern touch, allowing users to wirelessly connect and monitor measurements. The ZT5566SE is a comprehensive and forward-thinking tool for those who demand precision and connectivity in their digital multimeter.